Property owners in Tulum, pay attention. January is the only month where you will have 30% discount on your property tax. So stay until the end of this video because I'm going to explain you how to do it super easily in 1 minute online. So the first thing you have to do is go to Portal Tulum Predial, which is Tulum portal for tax payment. You're going to go to this webpage, portaltulum.com. You register yourself, okay? And you're gonna log in. So you're gonna go first to My Documents. You're gonna add a document which is your ID. You can put your residence number, your passport, add everything here, and then you will add your document here as an image, okay? Then you're gonna go to My Obligations, and you're gonna add an obligation. Put a tax payment. You're gonna put your complete name, and you're gonna add the number of your property that it's named Clave Catastral. It comes in your title. I mean, you have a document that is called Cédula Catastral, and it's right there. So I'm gonna add it up. So then you put confirm, and it will appear right here. A tax payment for predial. You're gonna select this card number, which is online payment, which is the ESS form. And right here, you will have the 30% discount if you pay in January. And then you have a electronic payment. You add your information and then you press continue. Right here, you put all of your data again. So you click pay. And voila, your property tax are paid. And as you can see, they are super low in comparison to Canada or the US. We're talking about if you have a property on $200,000 approximately, you will be paying $340 per year, which is nothing. It's 0.17% of the value in the public registry. If you want to know how to pay your taxes in Playa del Carmen, check my next video and don't forget to subscribe because in this channel, we're talking about a lot of important things when buying property in the Riviera Maya, Mexico.